Good evening guys. So now this is the updated one. See, now finish. So that is the last one is making painting, and then the put it the switch and lights. Yeah, and also the what is called this, the main switch. Yeah, there's the main switch there, the side of door. Yeah, almost is done. Look at that. See, so I just want to show it to you about this to update it, because you see, at least you know what is the status of the cabin here, and how to fix it, and how to make it. So that is the reason why it is I send it to you, because you know, here in area remote, that is the remote area, is not cannot able to build the, you know, the concrete, because as per the project, you know, maximum 5 years to 10 years, then after that they are removing. So that's why there are only a portable cabin can make it to use it here, because anytime we can to remove and transferring to another project. So at least you know what is the exactly that is happen here in remote area. See, look at that. See, almost is done. So the plyboard they are using, yeah. So the line, it's ready. So only switch, plugs, and others, and also the main switch will be to put it maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. So then after that, so this cabin will be shipped to I hear that they are not in Sindala. There are some other projects to use it of this cabin. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.